Hi everybody, it's me again. We are doing a fake live again, but this time you're gonna get a two-fer. What does that mean? We have our double-sided box frame where I'm going to use this side and this side. And we're gonna use our Life in Full Bloom. That's why this is part 2. So we're gonna start on the darker side. And this is wood, and so we are going to wax. Surface wax and our applicator. Remember, if you're new to Creative Sarah or my videos, I would love it if you would type VIP right there in the comments. I will send an invite. I'll give you more information and send an invite to join some of my groups. I have my customer group, which is going to give you more ideas, inspiration, and insider information. And then, of course, I have my opportunity group. In case you get curious about becoming a designer, I will have that information for you as well. And finally, I'll give you all sorts of info on our club. If you haven't joined our club yet, definitely check that out because it is the best way to enjoy Chalkator as a real VIP, getting a little project kit every month. Love, love, love. All right, so let's start with the wooden side. This is the transfer. Live Life in Full Bloom. Okay, and I'm going to mark it. The number 2. This is the second transfer that I have used from this pack. Okay. Peel. It's good, good. I'm going to go ahead and squish this in there. And I feel like I need to move it over a little. So hold on. There we go. Okay. Now we're going to press it down in all the spots. You don't want any bumps or bubbles. Just get that nice and flat. We're going to use some white chalk paste and some shimmer eucalyptus and some shimmer melon. It's going to be awesome. So I'm going to need a couple of these guys, my multi-purpose tool, my multi-tool, and regular old squeegee. We're going to start with doing some beautiful, oh, this is a brand new, beautiful jar of chalk paste. Oh, I love a brand new jar. Okay. And this is not brand new. It's been well loved and well used. Let's see. So I'm going to start with the shimmer coral, the shimmer melon. Why I could not think of that name. And I'm going to do these little flowers in here. And if you have too much, you can just wipe it off back into the container. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. There we go. Now our flowers are almost done. I have 2 little side flowers that I'm doing in the same color. And then we're going to work on the greenery, which is going to be the shimmer eucalyptus. Oh, such a pretty color. Okay, so we're going to do all the shimmer eucalyptus. It's so pretty. And done. Okay. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This part's done. Now we just need our white. Hope you guys are having a great day. I should be having a grand old time relaxing in sunny Mexico. That's why I had to pre-record these videos for you guys. Sunny Mexico. I don't know what I'm doing, but it should be amazing and restful. And I'm just getting so excited thinking about it. All right, we got this white on here. Trying to get close to the edge without, there we go. Perfect. Are you ready for a reveal? 1, 2, 3. OMG, look how cute that is. So cute. It's so pretty and so shimmery. I love it. Now I'm going to wash this real quick in my water. These little transfers are pretty. These are like, oh, I would say a 6x6 transfer-ish size. Real easy to use. Real easy to clean. And we're going to dry this for sure. Dry, dry, dry. Don't forget to type that VIP right in the comments, you guys. You'll get all the links and all the fun. And you'll see the shop, the look for this video is in the description. And you'll be able to click on that link and see all the products that I used. So, and if there's something that you don't have, you can grab it right there. You can also edit that. You can delete and add things. All right, so we're going to move away from that. And now we're going to do the super cute grow, okay? I need to label this. So we're going to label it with a 3. So I can match up the backer sheet with the transfer. And I already waxed that. And these are not super over sticky, so I don't even need to fuzz it at this point. We're going to use the same colors, except I'm going to add in a little bit of Storm, okay? So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to do the leaves with my eucalyptus. So you're going to see how the colors look different on the white versus the wood. That's cool. We'll go back and look at the other. Okay. So again, this is eucalyptus. It's shimmery. And now we're going to use the shimmer melon for our flowers. It's a very shimmery peach color. Okay, very nice, very nice. Now, Storm, okay? I'm gonna get in here with a mini squeegee and do the word grow. This is super cute. They have, so on this transfer set, one of the transfers says, "Hey bud," and it has like a cute little flower bud. And then this one says grow. And I just feel like it's like I want to put it with some, like a baby. "Hey bud, grow." All right, you ready? 1, 2, 3. Look how cute. Now I am going to embellish. So we need to embellish this. I need to clean this. Make sure, if you're new, that you've already typed VIP right into the comments so that you can get links to my free groups. It's just VIP. You'll get more information and you'll be connected to me when I'm done with this video and you're like, "Oh, I wanted to ask for something." Just go ahead and type VIP. And then look for my message. I'll send you a message right there in your inbox. Okay, now we're going to do a fun little, I'm going to do a fun little thing. So I've got some ribbon. And this is like totally, let me see. I'm going to fold it over 3 times. Okay. All right. Now, I just eyeballed about the size of what I want. Okay. All right, so there is a right side and a wrong side for this particular ribbon. And it's wired, so I've layered 3 together, okay? I'm just going to piece it together like that. And I'm gonna take just a tiny, if I can find the end, a tiny piece of this, trim it down. I'm going to gather this in the middle, just like I had done. And I'm going to tie a knot. One, 2. Now I don't have to stress about it. I'm going to wrap this around 2 times. I'm going to wrap this around 2 times on the other side so that there is an actual jute gathered section in the middle. And I'm going to do another knot. Now that that's done, I'm going to trim these. If you wanted to leave them on and kind of fray them out, then I would tie it in the front so you can make it part of your bow. But I did not. Now we're going to open up these and just kind of spread them out. You see what I'm doing here? We're just kind of pulling them, separating them, spreading them out. So there's this cute bow, which perfectly matches my colors. And we're going to add it. It's so cute. We're going to add it right in the center right there. Now you can grab some hot glue or a glue dot, whatever you'd like. I have this glue dot and I'm just going to place it onto the back of this right here and then peel off the backer. And the glue stays put. And I am just going to affix it to the center. Oh, you guys, it's so cute. Here it is. Let me unfurl this a little. Isn't it awesome? Thanks for watching, you guys. It's been great. I'll remind you, this was our back and this is our front. So cute, double-sided. You can stick it in a tier tray, or if you have a display that's a centerpiece, you're gonna have both sides. All right, you guys, coming to you from, not really from Mexico, but I'm in Mexico. I can't wait to get back and be live again. I have some really great projects coming up. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everybody.